In local workshops, old lead-acid batteries, the ones used in cars or for solar backups at night, are being brought back to life. It starts when technicians drain out the old acid and open up the battery for inspection. The internal plates are cleaned to remove sulfation and corrosion that build up over years of use. Then, fresh electrolyte solution is added, and the battery is slowly recharged using special chargers to restore its lost capacity. After hours of careful restoration and testing, the once dead battery regains its power, ready to supply energy again for vehicles or home systems. It's a perfect example of recycling technology, saving both money and the environment, one battery at a time.